So what you'll need is eggs. I'm going to use roughly 3 eggs, some butter, and pepper and salt. That's all you basically need. You can always add a little bit of sour cream. I'm not going to do that because I don't always have sour cream when I'm craving these eggs. You can perfectly make these eggs without sour cream. You do run the risk of overcooking them, but I'm willing to take that. And I'm also going to add some chives because it does add that little freshness to the egg and makes it that more delicious. Let's do this. Take a pot and crack your eggs in there. Add the butter and turn on the heat. Put the heat on high and just start stirring them. This way of scrambled egg is a bit demanding on your arm muscles, but it's totally worth it. You just have to keep stirring a lot until all of your butter has dissolved, and then you just want to take it off the heat, stir, put it on the heat again and keep stirring until your egg starts to thicken up. It will take roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Just going to take it off the heat and just keep stirring. The reason why it is suggested to use the sour cream is because when your egg starts to form, like you see right now, you can add the sour cream and then won't run the risk of overcooking. But in my case, I'm just going to leave it like that. At this point, you can turn off the heat and just cook it on the remaining heat of the pan. Add a little bit of chives, season it with some salt and some pepper, give it a final stir, and now you just serve. Oof, there we go. Sorry for a bit of a hectic transition, but I couldn't have done it any other way because this is a very time-sensitive dish. As you can see, this is the reason why it is advised to use sour cream, because my eggs are quite fluffy, as you can see, and still really creamy, but they're a bit overcooked. But as I told you, it's not a must because this is perfectly fine for me. It's delicious this way, it's creamy, it's fluffy. It's not perfect, but I don't always want to make restaurant perfect eggs when I'm just making breakfast.